Before create workflow, we have to create related data. Step 1. Create email template. Step 2. Create SLA. Step 3. Create KPIs. Step 4. Create workflow. Now we go to step 1. Create email template. Select settings. Select the email template screen. The email template screen is used to create and manage email templates to send to employees or customers when running ticket processing. The data of this screen will be used for the workflow menu screen. Select the add function included in the screen. After saving the email template, the system will display variations of the email according to the language to edit it according to the customer's language. Because the customer has any language, the email will be sent in the respective language. I made a video on how to create an SLA, please review. Now I will move on to the KPI creation step. The KPI screen is used to create and manage terms between employees and the company. The data at this screen will be used for the workflow screen. The code is taken from the settings in the prefix settings screen. The first response time field is used to enter the first response time. The average resolution time field is used to enter how long it takes to solve the problem on average. The system will calculate the total time spent by the employee to solve the problem and compare it with the time set in the average resolution time field. The average handle time field is used to enter the processing time. The customer satisfaction score field is used to enter the customer satisfaction level. Select View function to view detailed information of KPI. The Violation Ticket, First Response Time tab will display a list of tickets that violate the first response time regulations. Because the KPI has not been assigned to any ticket, the system can't collect the data to display. Ticket tab will show all tickets assigned with KPI. The first response time field will display the set first response time allowed and the ticket number violated when the response time exceeds the allowed time. Average resolution time field is used to display the average time to resolve ticket, with answer and close ticket. The average handle time field will show the average time to update the ticket, processed and closed time. The number of tickets field will display the total number of tickets. Select the corresponding KPI. The number of resolved tickets field will show the total number of tickets that have been closed and rated by the customer. The customer satisfaction score field will show the average % of customer reviews. Once you have the SLA and KPI data, now we will create workflow. The workflows screen is used to create and manage workflows used to run the customer care process when tickets are available. The flow start function, used for first selection, is used to define the starting point of the workflow. The stage function is used to create a step in workflow. This step will be displayed in the Stages, View Ticket tab screen. Stage will be a manual step or just an explanation of the steps in the workflow. Ticket status is used to change the status of the ticket when running the workflow. Stage status is used to change the status of the corresponding stage when running the workflow. Ticket priority is used to change the priority of ticket. Ticket type is used to change the problem type of the ticket. Email user is used to send an email automatically when running a cron job for the selected user. Requester is the customer who creates the ticket, the employee assigned to handle the ticket or other employees in the system. Email template data is taken from the email template screen. Email group is used to send emails automatically when running cron job for the email of the designated department to handle customer tickets. Assignee is used to change the ticket handler. The condition function is used to set the condition to process the following steps. For example, the condition ticket status like open will increase the priority or send an email to the person in charge. If the condition is met, it will continue to run in the positive direction, green. Otherwise, if the condition is not met, it will run in the negative direction, red. Wait is used to set the length of time to run the condition. For example, waiting about 2 hours after running the cron job will send an email to the management department to inform about the status of the ticket. Close function is used to return to the previous screen. Clear function is used to delete the designed steps in workflow. When the cron job runs, the system will filter all tickets. For tickets with the status of in progress, the system will send an email template 1 inch to the requesting customer, and at the same time will send an email template 5 inches to the employee, Wei Hong Lam. Tickets with a status other than in progress will have their priority changed to high.